and welcome back to Kallerhult Creations, and this video, which is going to be a very quick unboxing because I had some serious videos planned, but this little one has a massive cold. Oh, bye bye. She has a massive cold, so she's home, and that means I don't have my hobby time. Because I have to work whenever her dad is home, so we can take care of her. Kolla! So yeah, this is a parcel I ordered from a Swedish shop called Skapamer, and it has a bunch of art materials inside. So the very first thing are a bunch of gouache. I'm gonna show a close-up of all of the art supplies I received when I'm done with this. Oh, no. Come. And then we have a stripe plus fine liner and a Posca 1mm pen. I think I bought. Oh, here's another gouache. I then ordered something really exciting. This is a pouring medium, and I want to do those paint pouring that is kind of trending right now. I don't know if I'm gonna wait until spring so I can do it outside, but let me know if you want to see some pouring videos. I then ordered another spray bottle of fixative since my old one was coming of age. And then we have a Winsor & Newton metallic bronze. I ordered gold. Oh, it says gold metallic bronze. Next up we have another Posca pen, which is the... Oh, I don't know the sizes. Okay. Good enough. This is some kind of eraser pen. I think it's supposed to be erasing both graphite and pens, both pen and pencil. I then ordered another Toddler Triplus fine liner. I like these barrels to hold, and also they have a nice width of the nib. Lily? So it's a light grey and a darker grey. Ja, de får du inte ta. De är mammas. And then I just added 2 brush markers to my brush marker collection. So it's pale pink, which I actually think I already have now that I think about it, and a lush green. And the very last thing, the thing I actually, the reason I placed the order in the first place, are these watercolor postcards. Oh. I could have just not recorded anything. Let me know if there is anything out of these art supplies that you would like to see me try, and I'll make sure to make a video out of that. So yeah, have a lovely day. Thank you so much for watching. Hej då!